Hallo allemaal, hoe gaat het? Hello everyone, how are you? Today we'll be continuing the Memrise series.
Moe.
Moo. Sounds like a cow, moo, moo, but actually it's moe, meaning tired. This is one of those oe, ow, ow. These weird vowels put together making a new sound. This one's oe, moo.
Ziek.
Ziek, or ziek. So this is another one of those things where I have told you before that the F and the V sound the same in Dutch. There's no like V going on in one of them. The S and the Z are pretty much the same, so similar situation where both are pronounced just the same way, pretty much. Um, so you might ask what's the difference? Well, it's mostly just for writing. Um, Although I can tell you like one little tip, the Z, the Z, is never at the end of a word. So unless it's a name, but other than that, like the nouns and all that, it's always an S at the end of a word, and sometimes at the beginning or something like in the middle. But for the Z, it's either at the beginning or in the middle.
Ziek.
Ziek. I guess you could add a little bit of z, a little bit of vibration, but it's not required. Moe. Mooi, beautiful. Mijn, my. Momenteel, currently.
Moe.
Zomer, summer. Zulke, such. Zingen, to sing.
Ziek.
Ziek,
De honger.
de honger. The hunger. Honger. You can see how many words are similar to English, right? So I guess for all of you English native speakers out there, that really helps because, it's almost the same.
De dorst.
De dorst. Ziek.
Ziek.
De honger. De hond. The dog. De hoek. The corner. De hoofdpijn. The headache.
De honger.
De dollar. The dollar. De dood. The death. Het dorp. The village. De dorst. The first.
De dorst.
De dorst.
De honger.
De honger.
Mijn.
Mijn. My.
Mevrouw.
Mevrouw. Madam.
Moe.
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 De dorst.
De dorst. Hebben.
Hebben. Ik heb. Ik heb. Jij hebt. Hij heeft. Wij hebben. So this is one of those irregular verbs that the conjugation is quite difficult and you have to just memorize it. There's also an issue where even native speakers use this wrong. Not because it's difficult, but because it's just the accents changed over time. So in certain cities, they don't pronounce it like hebt, but more jij. I don't really know what they pronounce, but I know that there's variations. So keep an eye out for that. De honger.
De honger.
Heten. To be cold. Helaas. Unfortunately. Helpen. To help. Hebben.
Hebben.
To be called. Heten. But this is hebben. To have.
Hebben.
Moe.
Moe.
De dorst.
De dorst.
Hebben.
Hebben. Moe.
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 Ziek.
Ziek. Hebben. Hebben.
De dorst.
De dorst.
One final note I want to make before I leave is this one, sick. It can be used just like the English, or like, oh, that's so sick, that's so cool. Ah, Oh, echt ziek. So, bit of a variation. Guess young people like to use this. You can impress your friends with it. So, dankjewel. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. And I'll see you guys next time. Dankjewel. Tot ziens.